Waking up and going to class first thing in the morning is pretty hard, especially if your roommates tied you to your bed. A skirt with a zipper is prank bait. If you carefully put a paperclip into the pull tab, then you can pull off a strip show. While my friend is explaining formulas, I'll open up her inner world. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing illegal. At least we managed to embarrass Professor Cosine. Sean decided to shave and prank his roommate while he's at it. Paint the moisturizing strip on a razor with red food coloring. He is so gullible! It's just a prank! No one died here! Professor Cosine is acting kinda weird today. First he cleans his shoes right in class. And then he eats his shoe polish. It's really delicious with crackers. Melt milk chocolate chips. Add heavy cream. Stir the mixture. And add black food coloring. Pour the chocolate mass into a clean shoe polish container. Does anybody want some? No? Too bad! This polish is delicious! Oh, I knew it! Chemistry is bad for the brain! Somebody loves eating other people's Nutella! My precious! Did you eat my whole jar of Nutella? Of course not! I'm allergic to chocolate! Fine, let's see if you'll eat this! Mix slime glue with gel laundry detergent. Add brown acrylic paint. Make some stretchy slime. Put it into a clean Nutella jar. A fresh jar of Nutella. I got you, Sean! It's full of juicy, tasty slime! Our students have new hairstyles. Why did you change your looks? Yikes! Does Sean have long hair? What's wrong with this generation? It's obvious! We need bangs to hide the cheat sheet on our foreheads. No one will find out that we have some very hairy secrets. It looks like the professor is getting suspicious. He exposed our genius plan! No more extra hair or cheat sheets! Breakfast time! And prank time! The students came up with a perfect combo. One of them complains about being in pain. Ouch! It hurts! And the other one swaps the eggs in the carton. Mix food coloring to get a dark green shade. Fill a syringe with it. And inject the coloring into the eggs. It's better now, thanks! What was that? Whatever, let's go back to my egg. Ew! What is this disgusting green thing? How old are these eggs? I'm not eating that! Great! We'll eat this tasty green egg instead! Ew! How can you do that? Let's show our professor an actual nightmare! Welcome to class, Mr. Cosine! Take a look into this locker. horrible! These are the brightest minds of our college in jars! Why did you do that to them, Rosie? They didn't let you cheat from them? Am I next? I'm way too young to die! Got you! Mr. Cosine, it's just a prank! Everyone's alive! Oh, it seems like the professor didn't like our horror class. The morning is the hardest part of the day, and the alarm is my worst enemy. Oh no! I overslept again! I shouldn't have done that to my alarm. But I'll learn from my mistake. I have an idea. You can't reach your alarm to turn it off? Of course not, because it's up here, all the way up on the wall. You'll have to get up to turn the alarm off. That'll wake you right up. The alarm clock protection program was a success. I have instant noodles, but I don't have any clean bowls. What do I do? My roommate is making salad. Perfect timing. That might come in handy. A big bell pepper would make a great substitute for a plate. I just need to add water and run away. Sean! I have noodles with a side for lunch instead of just noodles. But what do I eat it with? My school supply cutlery! Here, look at my pen fork. Cut the handle off a plastic knife with a heated utility knife. Polish the end with sandpaper. And hot glue the end of the knife to a pen cap. Do the same with a spoon and a fork. A pen fork! Eat noodles and take notes! My roommate shouldn't have thrown his stuff all over the room. This has gone way too far. Oh no! Time to get up! I'll get dressed quickly. What's that? A garland made out of my clothes? Who did this? My roommate made a necklace from my stuff? Well, thanks a lot. So, how do I get dressed now? I need to think outside the box. Even a fishing line won't keep me from learning. Fine, I got the message. I'll clean up a little. The girls spent the whole night partying. Professor, can you please talk quieter? We are so tired. Megan is using her magical whiteout to fix last night's mistakes. Take the wiper off a concealer container and pour the concealer into a clean whiteout bottle. This whiteout will quickly cover up your under-eye circles. Now you look human again. Professor Cosine, these are just school supplies, not makeup. Rosie has a regular marker, even though it looks like mascara. Wrap a marker in light clay. Shape a mascara tube. Color it with acrylic paint and attach a printed label. Make a cut along the cap line with a utility knife. Thanks for saving me, girl! The classroom just got cleaned. Don't walk on the wet floor. But I'm not worried about it. It says don't walk on it. It didn't say anything about touching it. Cut cleaning gloves around the edge and make a cut inside. Fill it with synthetic stuffing. Turn it over and put a sneaker inside. Cut the glove. Hot glue the pieces of the glove around the sneaker. Hey, read the sign! These are not feet! These are my bottom hands! Guys, has anybody seen my glasses? It's hard to find your glasses without glasses! There they are at the top! The students just prepared a surprise! Birthday confetti! Thank goodness you didn't see the surprise sooner! Happy birthday! Is your neighbor chewing on a pencil? This is disgusting! Save your teeth, man! My prank will help you! Heat up pink bubblegum in a microwave. Shape a tongue. Make a hollow in the middle. Stick a piece of a toothpick into it. Can you please give me a pencil? It's delicious! Ouch! Yikes! I'm never gonna chew on a pencil ever again! It worked! Another one bites the dust! Did you like our pranks? Then comment below how you'd prank your college friends! Would you sneak slime into Nutella, eat shoe polish, or make a bubblegum tongue? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up! Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new hilarious pranks from Troom.